What is love? A poetic mystery? A biological imperative? Perhaps it's both. A dance between the heart and the mind, choreographed by nature and nurtured by experience. Every flutter, every stolen glance is orchestrated by a symphony of chemicals. Dopamine rewards us with pleasure, oxytocin bonds us together, serotonin keeps us content, and adrenaline adds that exhilarating rush. Yet, love isn't always simple. Our minds can be a maze of anxieties and attachments. Thankfully, mental health professionals are our guides, helping us navigate relationships, build resilience, and find our way to deeper connections. For some, the journey to parenthood requires a little scientific magic. Assisted reproductive technologies like IVF turn dreams into reality, proving that when love and medicine unite, miracles happen. Intimacy can face challenges, but medical advancements offer solutions. From medications to lifestyle changes, reigniting the spark is possible. After all, every heart deserves to burn bright. In love, as in health, safety comes first. Embracing preventive care like vaccinations and STI screenings isn't just smart, it's a new kind of romantic gesture, showing care for oneself and each other. For those on a journey to align body and soul, medicine offers a path. Hormone replacement therapy empowers individuals to live authentically, turning struggle into a story of triumph and self-love. Understanding who we are is the greatest adventure. With guidance from psychiatric support, we delve deep, unraveling the tapestry of our identity and aspirations, emerging stronger and self-assured. Imagine harnessing the essence of connection. While love potions belong to fairy tales, understanding our biology brings us closer to nurturing empathy, joy, and deep bonds. Life's chapters unfold with timing and choice. Whether embracing the ticking of the biological clock or taking control with contraceptives, informed decisions empower our paths. Even when the world pauses, love persists. Guided by wisdom and care, we find new ways to connect, proving that the heart knows no bounds. What draws us together? Beyond sight and sound, invisible forces at play are pheromones, genetics, crafting the unique melodies of our attractions. Love heals. It strengthens our hearts, lifts our spirits, and fuels our resilience. But it must be nurtured with care, for while it has the power to heal, it can also wound if neglected. Knowledge is the compass guiding our hearts. By understanding the science of love, we gain the power to choose how, when, why, where, and whom we love. It's not just about finding love, it's about creating it with intention. Love is the greatest journey we embark upon, a blend of mystery and understanding, chance and choice. As we weave through the complexities of human connection, may we do so with open hearts, curious minds, and the courage to love fully. Love isn't just a feeling, it's a science, an art, and the essence of what makes us wonderfully human.